Hi, I'm Sania Mirza, and you're watching me on Asian Paints, where the heart is. Welcome to my home. Welcome to the most formal section of the house. This space is very different to the rest of the house. It has a lot of color, it has a lot of character, it has a lot of accents. It's got a lot of gold in it, which not a lot of people are too comfortable using. I love the pink. You know, in theory, sometimes when you think about, oh my God, pink curtains or pink sofas, pink blush sofas, it just makes everything softer. I was very sure that I wanted a wall that was it was a standalone wall. And that's why this room to me is really beautiful. Like this is where everything is like blush pink, it's blue, it's golden, and it's grand. If you are inspired by my home's decor, go to beautifulhomes.com by Asian Paints for a lovely style guide.